Welcome to today's training session. My name is Ogechi Madukoma. I'm the MDC of Glomajos Enterprises. At Glomajos, we produce very effective and also very effective, affordable household cleaning products. We also train you on how to produce various household cleaning products, and we can basically help you. We don't just train you, we train you and we also guide you to set up your business and scale faster. Okay, so in the last video, we started a series we're looking at various methods of producing bar soap from the scratch, and we mentioned that we can produce bar soap from the scratch using 3 methods. Hope you can remember the methods. Yes, they are the cold method, the semi-hot method, and the hot method. And in my last video, I talked about the advantages of producing using the cold method. They all have their advantages and disadvantages, but today we're looking at producing soap using the semi-hot method. Like I said in the last video, this method is my best method. Why? I'll tell you a story. When I started producing soap in 2014, after I've learned how to produce soap, I produced my soap using the cold method. Very beautiful soap. When I got to the market to sell, I discovered that my cost price was the same thing they were selling in the market. That is, my cost price for a carton of soap at that time was like 1,300, and my plan was, okay, since I was new in the market, just add 100 naira, try to sell in volume. The more you sell, the more profits you make. When I go to the market trying to sell to the wholesalers at 1,004, a woman called me and said, every other person refused, that they weren't going to buy, but a woman called me and said, this soap you're trying to sell for us at 1,004, I can sell it for you for 1,003. I was like, wow, how possible is that? The cost for me was 1,003. So how come you are selling for 1,003? That means you are buying much more lesser than 1,003. And for the person to sell for you, that means the person cost price is even much more lesser. So I was wondering, I don't know what to do. I started researching as I don't sincerely know what to do. I went back to her, I started asking her. So she opened up, and with prayers though, she decided to help me. She said she was going to introduce me to the person that she buys soap from. She was going to tell the person, the man is a man, that I am the younger sister. So we arranged a day. I came, I brought my soap. So she told the man that this is my younger sister, she does soap, this is her soap, but her problem is that her cost price is on the high side. How will you help her? So because she said if she has not told the man like that, the man will not want to open up. It's a secret that the man will want to guide doesn't want to open up. Since generally if I start selling, I'm automatically one of his competitors, so he wouldn't want to reveal to me that secret. But with the influence of this woman, he agreed to help. Though he charged me, I paid good money. At that time, he told me I was going to pay the cost of a drum of palm kernel oil. You can imagine, today a drum of palm kernel oil is over 100,000. At that time, I think it's about it was about 40 thereabout though. So he said I was going to pay an amount that is equivalent to a drum of palm kernel oil. At the end, we bargained, and he gave me some discount, and I went to his factory and he taught me this method. He revealed to me, he showed me the secret, and since that time I have never looked back. In fact, after he taught me, I was able to produce my soap, and I was able to sell far lesser. I was able to compete favorably, and I was able to sell and also make my profit. If not that he taught me, probably I would have stopped producing. So that is why I said this method is one of my best, and so many people don't know about it. So let's look at the advantages of producing bar soap using the semi-hot method. If you're just coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe, as I dish out valuable informations about starting your business on these channels weekly. And please turn on the notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a new video every week. Also do well to like this video so that YouTube will show it to more persons, that it will add value to their life. Thank you so much. So let's go back. We're going to be looking at six advantages of producing soap using the semi-hot method. I'll be fast about it so that we can jump to other things. One of the advantages is that you don't need to soak your caustic soda. I mean, you don't need to ferment your caustic soda at all. You know that when you're producing soap using the cold method, you have to ferment your caustic soda. Some will tell you ferment for 3 days, some will tell you ferment for this day, but at least you must ferment for at least 24 hours for you to produce your soap using your cold method. But in this case, you're not fermenting nothing. Just with your caustic soda crystal, the way it is in powder, you are producing your soap instanta. Not like, oh, I want to produce soap. Probably a customer asks you to deliver soap, you've exhausted the ones you have, and you started in the customer, okay, I cannot supply today, I'll supply you in 2 days because you needed to ferment your soda first. But in this case, you are producing right away with your crystal caustic soda. That is one of the advantages. Second advantage is that because of this method allows you to add more water into the soup. It's not going to affect the quality of the soup. The soup will still come out very, very strong. So it allows you add more water. In fact, you almost double the amount of water you're going to add in this soup. If I was producing using the cold method and I'm going to add like 10 liters of water, in this method I can use up to like 16, 17, 18 liters of water, and it will take it. And the soap will not be soft, it will still be strong, and it will invariably increase my output. That is the second advantage. The third advantage is that it brings down your cost of production very, very low, and because of this you can compete favorably in the market. Remember that you're not the only soap producers in fact you're even new, you're just starting. There are other soap soap in the market. So for you to even start gaining traction, you have to work on your price. Price is one penetration strategy that you might want to use. So if your own price is now more expensive than those that are in market, just imagine, like my experience, who is going to buy it from you? So but with this method you can compete favorably in the market because it will help you crash your cost of production. Cost of production will come down very, very low. Okay, so please, one more time, hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell. Also, please like this video. Please like this video so that YouTube can show it to more persons. Okay, let's look at the fourth advantage of using the semi-hot method. This method is very, very commercially viable. It is very, very commercially viable. Remember, you're not producing for charity. You're producing to make profit. You're producing to sell. So with this method, you can sell it. Your price is, when you want to produce for commercial purpose, it is very, very viable. It is very, very, in fact, anybody that wants to sell soap, that want to do the business of selling soap, you should learn how to produce soap using the semi-hot method. Especially in this era where the cost of PKO has gone up. Caustic soda has gone up. Everything. People are looking for ways to produce, cheaper ways to produce. This is one way to produce your soap cheaper. The fifth advantage is that you don't need any form of heat at all. Like in the hot method, where after producing you have to use heat. Either you're using your gas, you're using your stove. Remember, that will also increase your cost. But in this case, no form of heat at all. You're producing, after producing, immediately you're pouring into your mold. No cooking, no cooking at all. So there's no form of external heat needed in this method. And lastly, it cures faster. When you're producing using your cold method, some will tell you leave your soap to cure for 4 weeks, for 3 weeks, and so my soap can cure in 5 days. I can use it if it is cold. But with this method, after producing in 2 days, I can start using that soap. So it helps your soap cures faster, because with this method, you are seeing the saponification take place live. You're seeing it take place live. It has taken place. It has turned to soap while you were producing. So it cures very, very fast. This is the sixth advantage. There are so many advantages that I can name right now why of producing soap using the semi-hot method, and this is the fact that it is very, very commercially viable, and that I don't need to apply any form of heat, and that I don't need to soak my caustic soda is a win-win for me. For those three methods alone, for those three reasons alone, I love this method. So I also have a course where I taught how to, where I a step-by-step video course on how to produce soap using the semi-hot method. So many people that have come for my trainings will attest to the fact that yes, this is one of the best methods. So if you know you want to learn how to make soap using the semi-hot method, okay, just click on the link below. I'll put the link to purchase this course below. So just click on the link below and you get the course. I'm giving it out at a very discounted rate. If you think you want to, as in, talk to me personally, let's discuss. My WhatsApp number is 08029046605. Just hit or look at the description. There are also other ways of connecting with me. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you got value from this video. I'll see you in the next video.